morning. This is Anika from the Travel World online newsroom. Here are the top headings of the day. First, US-Iran peace signals send global aviation and tourism stocks soaring. Korea ramps up visa facilitation and incentives for Indian MICE groups. Wyndham signs a major new Ramada property in Panipat's growth corridor. Regent Seven Seas Cruises unveils its ultra-luxury 2027 Spotlight collection. And the Khyber Himalayan Resort launches exclusive summer wellness retreats in Gulmarg. Now, the news in detail. Aviation and travel stocks are surging globally following reports of a preliminary peace understanding between the United States and Iran. Market sentiment has jumped as stability in the Middle East is expected to moderate global crude oil prices and reduce jet fuel costs, which remain one of the largest overhead expenses for airlines. Industry observers believe this geopolitical relief could soon pave the way for lower airfares and increased international tourism flows. The Korea Tourism Organization is aggressively targeting the booming Indian corporate market. KTO has announced an enhanced MICE support framework featuring expedited processing and visa fee waivers through its group visa program. Corporate delegates heading to Korea in 2026 will also benefit from dedicated destination funding, tailored K-culture experiences, and transport assistance, marking a significant push to capture India's fast-growing outbound business travel sector. Branded hospitality is rapidly expanding into India's Tier 2 cities. TDI Infratech has partnered with Wyndham Hotels to launch the Ramada Panipat Connaught Estate. Backed by a 75 crore rupee investment, this premium 53-key property is strategically located along the high-growth NCR corridor. Slated to open in mid-2028, the hotel will cater to a rising demand from regional corporate travelers, transit guests, and local events. Regent Seven Seas Cruises has unveiled its ultra-luxury 2027 Spotlight collection, featuring 7 highly immersive themed voyages across Europe. The collection focuses on wellness, gastronomy, and cultural heritage. A key highlight is the inaugural Wellness and Longevity Voyage in partnership with global brand Elemis, debuting on their newest ship class, Seven Seas Prestige. The move underscores a massive global surge in enrichment-focused luxury travel. In domestic luxury travel, the Khyber Himalayan Resort and Spa in Gulmarg has announced exclusive wellness retreats in partnership with Joga Retreats. Designed for holistic well-being, the Khyber Solace Weekend Retreat kicks off this July, followed by a deeper 5-day wellness odyssey in August. Nestled at over 8,000 feet, these exclusive programs combine tailored yoga, sound healing, and specialized therapy at Kashmir's premier luxury mountain resort. And that brings us to the end of today's news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in to Travel World Online. Have a wonderful and productive day ahead. This is Anika signing off. See you next time.
You are watching Travel World Online.